to see how we can take wings, how we can work together. We request all of you to share ideas. We do have plans to have an alumnus group of this 40-45 guys.
At a larger level to bring about change. So what we plan to do is, in the last 20 years approximately, we've studied what typically goes right or goes wrong in low-income schools.
So I'm not a teacher, right? So typically, I'm supposed to handle finances, handle accounts. At Maharashtra state government had started a project called Model School, right? A lot of you must be aware of that. And approximately 500 schools were identified. They drive this project, we could not have imagined. Right? That passion, that motivation is something which is a key for us now also, and that is something which is driving this whole Inspire thing, right? Because
होने वाला है ही नहीं. For connection, for education, शिक्षा कहें, सीखना कहें, सिखाना कहें, टीचर का दर्जा कभी खत्म नहीं होने वाला. ठीक है, thank you.
Telling children about the problem that we are having with climate change, warming, rising sea levels. So we have an immersive theatre where children watch a film, then they go, the next experience is they open a few tactile drawers and they are listening to stories, they're watching the best-selling author, editor and educationist. I run a company called EFG Learning. EFG means education for all. That's what that's been my purpose in education. I think that's all of your purpose as well.
And I'm talking about only Mumbai. We are growing in other geographies as well, so this number is going to grow over the years. Some of our core focus areas include a well-connected framework of digital learning, digital assessments, collaborative learning experiences, master trainer sessions. Ladies and gentlemen, we are very proud to have a network of 170 plus master trainers who are expertly equipped to train their peers on pedagogy and technology. This year, we also received 1,500 implementations. We call that artifact. That means these teachers have implemented this pedagogy and technology in their classrooms and shared the stories with us. Our innovation journey began with AI workshops, where we conducted webinars for Maharashtra teachers. We received an overwhelming response. More than 10,000 teachers were live with us over these two webinars. We also expanded our innovation by believe that this is just the beginning. With all of your continued support, we look forward to get even greater achievements. Thank you.
Doing adequate and more, but there are stumbling blocks all over the place. And organizations like ours, if we can come together as a collective, I think a lot of magic can be woven around.